This is the process of installing additional armor on a BMP-2 infantry fighting vehicle used by Russian forces. First, the base structure of the spike armor is installed, which consists of a bar-type slat armor. Onto this base, mounts are welded, and into each mount, unstranded steel wires are inserted. These wires are shaped like branches, each covering a small area. Together, the spikes form a web-like structure over the vehicle. Each spike is made from a piece of steel wire that is compressed to unstrand the cables. And at the base, a bar is welded in a manner similar to a broom. This additional armor is effective because it is lightweight, provides visibility through the structure, and is low cost compared to the box-type armor previously installed. The effectiveness of this solution can be judged by the fact that Ukrainian forces have also adopted similar designs. And even the French army has presented comparable armor for its armored vehicles. The key point here is that whatever Russian and Ukrainian forces are adopting is based entirely on real combat experience and real-time battlefield conditions, rather than on training ground concepts.